15,000 schools reopened across Maharashtra with 10 lakh students. Karnataka schools will reopen from January 1st for Class 6 onwards. NCERT books to be introduced for 3 more classes by UP Board. No clarity on board exam dates leads schools to conduct pre-board exams online. Uttarakhand considers cancelling final exams in government schools due to the pandemic. Maharashtra schools urge Education Department to declare Christmas holidays. The Karnataka government is hand in gloves with the institutions, says Siddaramaiah. Give Maratha students EWS certificates, says Bombay High Court to Tehsildars. Most Ranchi schools unlikely to resume classes from Monday. Schools in Bihar prepare for reopening on January 4th. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from the ENN, and the daily stories are: nearly a month after Maharashtra permitted the reopening of schools, the number of students resuming regular classes is increasing while schools attempt to meet the challenges posed by the pandemic. Schools were permitted to reopen from November 23rd, provided they followed guidelines laid down by the state government. According to the State Education Department, more than 15,000 schools have reopened and over 10 lakh students have been attending classes as of December 14th. Schools in Karnataka will reopen from January 1st, 2021 for classes 6 onwards. Students of class 6 to 9 will have to bring a written consent letter from their parents to attend the classes, and students from class 10 to 12 will have to attend their regular classes. The UP board will introduce new books based on NCERT syllabus for 3 more classes across the state from the new academic session of 2021 to 22. Preparations have already begun for introducing the new books for English in class 10 and 12, besides commerce in class 12 as per the national standard, as said by the senior board officials. As part of the preparations to make available new NCERT books to students on time, the tender for publication of these books would be issued in January 2021 so that the books become available in the market by 3rd week of March, said a senior board official. With no clarity yet on the dates of board examinations next year, several schools are already conducting pre-board exams in online mode to ensure that students are fully prepared in time. While the Ministry of Education is yet to make a decision on the dates of board exams for class 10 and 12, it has already announced that the exams will be conducted physically only. Schools in Delhi are restricting to online exams, while those in Gurgaon, Ghaziabad and Noida are also planning exams in blended mode as per easing of restrictions by respective state governments. The Uttarakhand Education Department is considering cancelling the final exams of class 9 and 11 in government schools, as education this year was affected drastically due to the COVID-19 pandemic. R. Meenakshi Sundaram, Secretary for School Education in the state, said that the department is reviewing the progress of online studies in the state and a decision will be taken depending on the outcomes. Schools in Maharashtra have requested the State Education Department to grant Christmas vacations for teachers and students to give them a break from online classes. Several teachers have requested the department to give them at least a week-long break, as schools generally do during the festival every year. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Sunday accused the BJP government in Karnataka of being hand in glove with private educational institutions which were allegedly overcharging students. In a series of tweets, Siddaramaiah slammed Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and Primary and Secondary Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar for allegedly not having control over private educational institutions. Much to the relief of students from the Maratha community aspiring to join various undergraduate professional courses under the government quota, the Aurangabad bench of the Bombay High Court directed the Tehsildars to issue economically backward class certificates to the students after verifying their bona fides. On July 28th, the state government had issued an order stating that students from Maratha community would not be able to apply for the EWS quota seats as they were already given reservation under the socially and educationally backward classes quota. A large number of leading private schools in Ranchi will not be resuming regular classes for Class 10 and Class 12 from Monday due to a lack of clarity on the number of parents who would be willing to send children to schools amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. Faculty members of Delhi Public School and JVM Shamli are holding online meetings with parents to seek their consent. Very few parents have agreed to send their children to school from Monday. Patna, after the state government agreed to reopen educational institutes from January 4th, schools, colleges and coaching centres have begun the preparations to make safety arrangements for the students and staff, keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic. Shamil Ahmed, the president of the Bihar State Private Schools Association, said, "The state government has taken the right decision as many schools are facing financial losses while children's education has been disrupted due to the closure of schools. Now the kids will be able to make up for the losses." Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log into our website www.theenn.com and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.